andi ko no mankilo kunyama ko so be kunyama kujira mankilo nyama kuno no well hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadirecipes. Do you know how to make a whole chicken, like you fry a whole chicken so it's really cooked inside? In this video I'm going to show you how I fried my whole chicken. Usually I make this with turkey, but I didn't get some turkey today, so I'm going to use chicken instead. So it's a whole chicken fried with plantain, and I'm going to serve it with onion, a sauce onion, an onion sauce. So stay tuned for this recipe. I will show you all the ingredients and how to make this. If you like my videos, please don't forget to press the like button now. I said now. I have here one whole chicken. You can also use a turkey for this recipe if you like. I have some basil leaf, parsley, 4 garlic cloves, 1 onion, and a small green pepper. For the spices, use what you like. I'm going to use ginger, curry powder, chili powder, paprika, black pepper, any seasoning you like, and a mix of dry herb, thyme and rosemary, and salt. You will also need 2 tablespoons of mustard and oil for deep frying. To serve my chicken with fried plantain and onion sauce. The first thing I'm going to do is to blend all my ingredients together. So for that, I will cut the onion and put in my food processor. Then I will add the garlic. I will add the green bell pepper. Now I'm going to slice the parsley and the basil leaf. Add in and mix all together. We are going to divide this mixture in two. In 1/2 I will add the mustard and all the spices with a bit of salt and mix really well. Then we are going to marinate the chicken with this mixture. Insert everywhere on the chicken. Put between the chicken skin and the meat. You know guys, right now I feel like I'm giving a bath to a newborn baby. This chicken will taste so good guys, I promise. Now tie the chicken with a thread. Tie the legs and the wings. Place it in a large pot and add all the remaining marinade with the rest of onion mixture. Cover with water and salt to your taste. Let the chicken cook until it's tender and done. This may take few more minutes, like it can take up to 40 minutes depending on the chicken type you use. Once the chicken is cooked, heat a large amount of oil and deep fry it. Turn often so all the sides gets brown and cooked. You know guys, whenever the good smell goes out, my son loves to come and check. You can serve your chicken with what you like, but I'm going to serve mine with an onion sauce. So for that, I'm going to heat half cup of oil and saute 1 slice of onion. To that, I will add a tablespoon of mustard. And you know the bouillon we use to cook the chicken, I will add that so it will taste so good. You can add some salt if you like, but I'm not going to add anything here. When you can see some oil on top, so it's ready. I already fried my plantain, so it's ready to be served. I'm serving my chicken with my plantain and onion sauce. So enjoy guys. Don't forget to rate this video and share with your friends. Have a nice day.